Hey, what is up, right lookers? We are back again with another auto detailing class vehicle done in our class. As you see in front of me, we have a 2021 Corolla hatchback. Now, from afar, you can see that it looks like a metallic black, right? But actually, up close, it's a completely different story. So let's take a look at it. You know, our students did an awesome job on this car, and here we are. As I get closer to the vehicle, you can see it's actually a metallic dark blue. They call this the Galaxy Aqua Blue, I believe, from Toyota. And as you see right there, you know, the reflection, the sparkle paint, deep sparkle paint right there. Everybody's favorite shot, you know, the highly reflective senior. Hey, everybody, that's me. You know, how clear you could see all the stuff in the background, you know, and the camera's autofocusing. That's how clear it is that the camera is autofocusing on the reflection. That's how clear the, you know, ceramic coating and paint correction is on this car. You know, it is a new car. This is only about maybe a month and a half off the dealership. But however, you got to consider that this car was probably transported numerous times before it got to that dealership, and it was probably sitting on the lot before that. And on top of that, dealership cars don't always come perfect. There's always imperfection. This car had, you know, wash marks from, you know, the dealership's car washing. Also had orange peel, you know, from the factory. You can't really avoid orange peel. But look at this, guys. Look, everybody. Look at how smooth the paint is, how clear the paint is. All from our students. You know, half the class didn't have any prior knowledge on this industry, and they're able to pull this off. You know, other half, they did have knowledge, but they didn't understand the science behind it, and that's why they came over here to expand their knowledge and how they could sell to the customer, sell, you know, the differences of levels of detailing and, you know, auto reconditioning that are available when you become a certified reconditioning specialist. So we'll continue to walk around here. Look at that reflection. You don't even expect this from a Toyota. You don't always expect this from a Toyota because they're, you know, more well known for affordable econ vehicles. But look at that. Look at that reflection. This is a show car right here. The quality of the paint with the ceramic coating is a show car as I walk down the aisle here and showcase this superb job done by our students. And, you know, as I transition the camera in and out, you can see how the color changes. It's, you know, it looks black from afar, like I said, and then you can see the sparkle flake and it turns bluish green, and really outstanding job by our students. And of course, this was also in our detailing class, so we'll take a look inside. They obviously cleaned the interior, fresh interior job right here, reconditioned it, everything. You know, got the trim hydrated and protected. Fantastic job by our students. You know, if you're thinking about doing this as your career, wanting to open up your own auto detailing business, or even if you have an auto detailing business and you want to expand your knowledge, we are here to train you hands-on. We are here to give you the knowledge, tools, and, you know, business know-how to become that premium business owner of an auto appearance industry that you want to be. And if you can't make it into our hands-on training, we also have our online training available. But then again, you know, whatever the case may be, we are here to help you become the specialist you desire to be, that will make you stand out in an oversaturated market. You know, you'll be the town's specialist, the expert, the one that everybody looks forward to in your hometown. So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this, another walk around of our class vehicle, and I'll catch you all in the next one.